Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing royal icing drip on fondant. So let's get started. So this is my royal icing. That is the recipe on the previous page. Okay, so I'm just adding some white vinegar to it to thin it a bit. You know, we want to use it to make drips, so the royal icing has to be runny a bit. So don't overdo it, or else it will become too runny and you'll have to be adding some icing sugar to it. So if this is your first time on our channel, in this channel we like to talk about fondant, we like to work with wafer paper, we love to work with cake recipes, we just love to talk about everything that has to do with cakes. So if that seems like what you like, look below and click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to also press the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. So let's go there. Now that your bag is full, so you can see that I've placed it across my cake, or by the side of my cake, and I'm gently dropping the icing sugar gradually around my cake. So you just keep doing that, dropping, dripping and dropping, okay, until the whole cake is covered. So now that we are done, it's time to paint our royal icing drips. So I'm mixing some edible gold dust with some edible spirit, okay, to make a little paste. So this was a bit runny, so I had to add more gold dust to it, okay. So I tasted it. As you can see, it was not the way I would have wanted it to be, so I added a little bit of gold dust to it to make it thicker, and then we were good. So this takes a lot of patience and hard work. Okay, so I had to paint all the drips and the sides of the cake. So it took me about, let's say, 30 minutes to do everything. And you know, you have to be very careful so that it doesn't drop all over the cake. So does this seem like what you like to do? If you do it, please, I would like you to tag me so that I know and come and be happy for you. So if you haven't subscribed and you are still watching, don't forget to look below and press the subscribe button. Also, please share the videos to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.